In this video, I will show you how I use ChatGPT to create a professional YouTube gaming banner that perfectly matches my channel's aesthetic. I'm starting right here on the homepage, and to begin, I'll go to my notes and copy a highly detailed design prompt for a channel called Night Owl Gaming. I'm specifying a dark background with neon green circuit board patterns to give it that high-tech, immersive feel. I'll paste this prompt into the message bar and hit enter to begin the generation process. As the AI works, it's following my instructions for bold, futuristic typography and a glowing owl mascot. Once the first image appears, I'll click on it to review the layout and make sure the "Live every Friday" text is clear and correctly placed for a banner. Now, I want to add a bit more energy to the brand to see how a different character feels. I'll copy a second prompt from my list to add a fierce bear mascot in a dynamic action pose, while keeping the same neon circuit theme. I'll paste these new instructions into the chat and wait for the updated design to render. When the second version is ready, I'll open the preview to see how the bear mascot fits alongside the original owl and the channel name. This gives me a great comparison of which mascot brings the right level of intensity to the channel's visual identity. Finally, I'd like to see some variety in the color palette before making my final choice. I'll copy a prompt asking for the same banner layout in 3 different color schemes: military green, sci-fi blue, and a fire-themed red. I'll send that final request and let the AI generate the full collection for me. Now, I can open the final image and compare the green, blue, and red versions side by side to decide which one fits the Night Owl Gaming brand the best. This workflow makes it incredibly easy to experiment with different gaming themes in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful for upgrading your own gaming channel's look, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.